Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we are going to draw a special fruit. It has yellow skin. It is long and curved in shape.
Woohoo!
It's green before it ripens. Have you guessed it yet? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a beautiful banana. Did you know that bananas are full of vitamins and are very good for your health? Bananas also help increase our brain power. Can you believe it? So bananas do not just make our bodies healthy and strong, but they also feed our brain. Let's start by drawing a curve going upwards, just like that, from left to right, just like a crescent moon. Underneath it, draw a much bigger curve, also going upwards. Now, join both curves together by adding rounded edges, just like that. Great job! This is the body of our banana. Do you know where bananas grow? Different parts of the world have different climates. Some parts are very hot. Others are very cold. And some are very rainy for very long periods of time. Do you know how many climates there are in the world? Let me tell you. There are tropical, dry, mild, continental, and polar climates. Did you know that bananas mostly grow in tropical climates? These areas are very warm and humid. Bananas need warmth, sun, and a lot of water. Now, we need to add the stems to our banana. At the bottom part of our banana, draw a semicircle, just like that. Well done, everyone! Now, go to the top and add a small rectangular shape. The rounded edge will be your base. It looks like your banana has a hat. We talked about bananas growing in tropical climates. Do you know the difference between climate and weather? Weather is a situation that happens at a particular moment, in a particular place, for a short period of time. Just look outside your window. If it's sunny, rainy, or maybe windy, then you are looking at the weather. Today, it might be sunny, but tomorrow, it might be rainy. The climate, however, is a situation that stays for a very long period of time. It's more than a few sunny or rainy days. Climate describes the typical weather for an entire region for 30 years or more. Now let's give our banana a little texture. Draw little ovals scattered all over our banana. You can place them wherever you like. If you want to follow us, you can draw them near the edges and in the middle. Each oval can be a different size. It's up to you. And finally, between the top and bottom curve of our banana, draw another curve, like a little smile. Now that we've drawn our happy banana, it's time to color it in. You can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. For our banana, we will be using yellow, dark yellow, and brown. First, use the yellow crayon to color the entire body of our banana. Don't forget to draw around the little ovals we added before. That looks great! Then, use dark yellow to color inside the little ovals. Use that same crayon to shade the little curve that looks like a smile in the middle of our banana. And last but not least, take your brown crayon to color our stems at the top and bottom of our banana. Well done, everyone! Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.